Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. It's a forecast for this Friday, and it's going to be a hot one. This afternoon's highs nudging 90. It may briefly touch it in Boston, and if it does, that would make the second day so far this year that we've done that. Not sure if it's going to quite make it, but it'll be very, very close. We may have another shot at it tomorrow if we don't make it today. On the south coast, it's cooler there with the wind off the water, more of a component off the water, but east-facing beaches today really going to be on the hot side. That will be repeated again tomorrow until this cold front way up here near Moosonee, up near James Bay and Hudson Bay, comes southeastward, and that'll cause the temperature to plunge from north to south late tomorrow. And as it comes down, it may initiate a couple of showers or thunderstorms along that frontal boundary, and then the cool air from eastern Canada takes over for Sunday, along with a few showers and touches of mist and that sort of thing, low cloudiness and fog, kind of dreary, gloomy weather. Today we go up nicely as we go into the 80s, and then tomorrow we get that front coming on down to yield those showers or storms. See them coming right down there on tomorrow, and there comes the front from eastern Canada and northern Maine. Then it sinks southward into northeastern Massachusetts. By late tomorrow afternoon, there could be a temperature plunge of as much as 20 degrees in a very short period of time in these spots as that cold air rushes in from the Maritimes. For Red Sox this weekend, yeah, they're back in town as they face the Braves for 3 games. Tonight it's going to be a summer sizzling night, 82 at first pitch. Tomorrow afternoon around 90 for first pitch early in the afternoon. Then there could be some cooling getting close to Fenway Park by late afternoon, but probably it's going to be after that game is over tomorrow afternoon. But we're clearly going to be in the cool air mass on Sunday, only about 55 with some mist and periods of rain. They're probably going to try to get that game in, but it's going to be on the cool side. How about tonight's lows? Mid and upper 60s late tonight. Tomorrow's highs, much like today. It'll be cooler at south-facing coastal locations again. Look at Sunday's highs, mid-50s. That's it for the afternoon high temperatures. Beach and boating, you're going to find it hot at the beaches today. We've got a low tide in the middle part of the afternoon. The cooler beaches will be down on the south coast and down toward the Cape especially. And the water temperatures, remember this, they're only around 54 to 56 degrees. So the Cape and the Islands forecast, 70s today and tomorrow, but only 57 on Sunday with that rain. And it looks like we're in for this front to cause some consternation and temperature plunges as we go through late tomorrow into Sunday. There we have it. Look for a recovery on Monday. It looks like for Memorial Day it'll start gloomy and maybe misty in spots, then hopefully turning partly sunny, and then the rest of the week really nice and warm. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, low to middle 80s with some sunshine. Have a nice and happy and safe holiday weekend.